fun, the first thing I would like to say is do subscribe to our channel. This is Lakshmi and I am here to teach mathematics. So today I have chosen a topic fractions. So let's begin with our fractions. So what exactly is fraction? So in a simple way I can say it is a part of a whole, isn't it? It is denoted by numerator and denominator. So let's have a definition for fraction here. The fractions can be expressed in the form of a by b, that is numerator by denominator, where a and b are what? Whole numbers. Whole numbers. In the meanwhile, a should not be equals to b and b should not be equals to 0. Always keep in mind that the fractions will be in the form of a by b, that is numerator by denominator. In the same how, a should not be equals to b and b should not be equals to 0. So here the a and b should be whole numbers. So it is denoted by numerator and denominator. So let's take an example. For example, 4 by 6. This is an object. I am going to divide into how many parts? 6 parts. So this term I can say it is a whole term. The whole term is going to be divided into how many parts? 6 parts. So out of 6 parts, I am taking 4 parts. So here, how it can be represented as? Can be represented as 4 out of 6. So it is a part and it is a whole. So a fraction can be a part of a whole, isn't it? So here 4 is said to be numerator and 6 is said to be denominator. It is a whole term. It is a part of the whole. So this is how we have to deal with the fractions. Now let's begin with the types of the fraction. So usually we are having 8 types of fraction. So let's begin with the types of the fraction. Types of fractions. So the first one, like fractions, unlike fraction. Third one, unique fraction. Proper fraction. Improper fraction. Mixed fraction. Equivalent fraction. And the last one, decimal fraction. Let's discuss each one clearly. So we are having totally 8 types of fraction, that is like fraction, unlike fraction, unit fraction, proper, improper, mixed fraction, equivalent fraction as well as decimal fraction. So let's discuss with one by one. So another types of fraction, the first fraction is like fractions. If the fractions which is having the same denominator, then those fractions are said to be what? Like fractions. That is, fractions with the same denominator are called like fraction. For example, we can give 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, and so on up to. So if all the fractions which is having the same denominator, then those fractions are said to be what? Like fractions. If the fractions which is having different denominator, then those fractions are said to be what? Unlike fractions. So we can give an example: 2 by 7, 5 by 9, 7 by 11, etc. So if a fractions which is having the same denominator, then those fractions are said to be like, and if the fractions which are having a different denominator, then those fractions are said to be unlike fractions. So, and the next step of the fraction is unit fractions. So fractions with numerator 1, those fractions are said to be what? Unit fractions. Suppose if a fraction which is having a numerator 1, then the set of fractions, that is, those fractions are said to be unit fractions. That is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, etc. So here the numerator should be equals to 1. Then the fractions are said to be unit fraction. Now let's come to the next fraction, that is proper fraction. Fractions with numerator is less than the denominator. If the numerator is less than the denominator, then those fractions are said to be what? Proper fraction. So here I can give an example: 2 by 3, 5 by 7, 9 by 11, etc. So if you observe the fractions here, numerator which is less than the denominator. So these type of fractions are said to be what? Proper fraction. Now come to the next fraction, that is improper fraction. Here the exact opposite to that of the proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equals to its denominator, then those fractions are said to be improper fraction. So here numerator should be greater than denominator. Suppose 9 by 5, 11 by 7, 5 by 2, etc. So if you observe these fractions, I'm having numerator is greater than the denominator, then those fractions are said to be what? Improper fraction. Sometimes it can be equals to denominator also. That is, numerator can be equals to denominator also. So, and the next one is mixed fraction. A fraction can be expressed as a whole number and be proper fractions, which is having a combination of whole number as well as a proper fraction, are called mixed fractions. Also, always keep in mind that all improper fractions can be written in the form of mixed fractions. Suppose if I am taking an example, 1, 2 by 4. Here 1 is a whole number and 2 by 4 is a proper fraction, isn't it? Proper fraction is nothing but what? Numerator should be less than the denominator. So if I am going to convert this into a normal fraction, it will become an improper fraction. So let's have a look. That is 1 into 4. So here the denominator should be multiplied to the whole plus 2 by 4, which is equals to 1 4 is a 4 plus 2 by 4, which is equals to 6 by 4. So if you observe, numerator is greater than the denominator. So I can say this fraction is an example of improper fractions. So all the mixed fractions can be improper fractions. So, and the next type is equivalent fraction. So a fraction is obtained by multiplying same non-zero numbers to the both numerator as well as denominator are called equivalent fractions. So keep in mind children, so suppose if I am going to multiply 2 to the numerator, the same number should be multiplied to the denominator also. Then those fractions will become the equivalent fractions. So we can take an example 1 by 3, 2 by 6, 3 by 9. Suppose for 1 by 3, if I am going to multiply with 2 by 2, I have already told that the same non-zero term should be multiplied to the both numerator as well as denominator. So what it will becomes? 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6. In the same how, if you are going to multiply by 3 to the numerator, the same number 3 should be multiplied to the denominator also. So at the time what it will becomes? 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So these are said to be equivalent fractions. And a small hint, we can write the multiples of 1 ones are, and you can write the multiples of particular number in the denominator. Suppose if you are having a 2 in the numerator and if you are having 3 in the denominator, you have to write the multiples of 2 in the numerator and you have to write the multiples of 3 in the denominator. So that is how also we can use the equivalent fractions. Now the next one is decimal fractions. A fraction whose denominator is any of the number, that is 10, 100 as well as 1000. That is a multiples of, that is it should be in terms of 10, 100, 1000. So if any denominator is of 10, 100, 1000, then those fractions are said to be decimal fractions. So always keep in mind that it should be 10, 100, 1000 in the denominator. So those fractions are said to be decimal fractions, and we can take an example 8 by 10. So it can be converted into decimal fraction, that is 8 by 10 can be written as 0.8. The same how 11 by 100, that is 0.11. In the same how 19 by 1000, that is 0.019. So these are all the types of the fractions.